never had known, and a joy this world could not afford. Since I yielded control of my body and soul to my wonderful, wonderful Lord. My wonderful Lord, my wonderful Lord, my angels and seraphs in heaven adore. I bow at thy shrine, my Savior divine, my wonderful, wonderful Lord. Thou art fairer to me than the fairest of earth. Thou omnipotent, life-giving Word. O thou ancient of days, thou art worthy all praise. My wonderful, wonderful Lord. My wonderful Lord, my wonderful Lord, my angels and seraphs